How to install sod rolls. Gardeners who want to enjoy a lawn without waiting weeks for grass seed growth prefer installing sod rolls. Choosing the right type of turf for your climate and needs is one of the most important steps to ensure a successful lawn. Those in the southern regions of the United States generally pick warm season grass, while people in the north have shorter growing seasons and use cool season varieties. Conduct a soil pH test on your lawn 3 months prior to installing sod. It takes at least 3 months to adjust the pH range to fit the grass you select. Things you will need: herbicide, shovel, wheelbarrow, tiller, garden hose, utility knife, lawn roller, potting soil, fertilizer. Remove any existing grass from the lawn. Spray a broad-spectrum herbicide on the lawn area to kill off the grass. Reapply in a few days according to the directions. Use a shovel to pick up the dead grass and either throw away or burn. Till the soil with a tiller to break up any clumps. Use a tiller that has blades set in the front for breaking up the soil. You can rent from your local gardening supply store one that is large enough to till large areas. Water the lawn 3 days prior to the delivery of the sod rolls. Plan to install the sod on the day of delivery, to prevent it from drying out. Water the lawn in the morning with a fine mist. The soil should be moist but not saturated with water. Work from the perimeters of the yard, such as by the driveway, sidewalk or outskirts of the property when laying sod. Unroll each roll and examine the roll to make sure that the grass is healthy. Spray the top of the sod roll with a mist of water from the garden hose before laying down. Stagger the rolls of sod horizontally, much like you would if you were laying bricks for a pathway. Lay the sod, so that the edges butt together. Cut corners or areas too large of the sod roll with a utility knife. Roll a lawn roller over the sod. Water the soil thoroughly. Fill in any gaps in the sod with potting soil. Tips: warnings. Order 10 to 20% more sod rolls and you need to ensure you have enough to use for irregularly shaped areas. Avoid burning your new lawn by postponing the use of fertilizers high in nitrogen at installation. Wait 5 to 7 weeks before using nitrogen.